John Wolf, your friendly neighborhood loan officer. Hey, this summer I wanted to let you know what has been going right so far. So first, the 10-day close guarantee that I've been offering for my clients who have been pre-approved and then started underwriting has gone exceptionally well. When those buyers put in their offers and I called the listing agents have been thrilled, and we've made almost all of those offers accepted, which is fabulous, especially given how competitive the market has been for buyers. At the very least, we've always gotten the last call because we were the only people offering a 10-day close guarantee in all of the transactions I have been involved with. Second is some big wins on people for refinances. And this sounds crazy, honestly, coming out of my mouth. This sounds stupid, but the increase in value of homes has been stupid over the last year or so. So I just want to give you an example of how good this looks. I helped somebody buy a home with the zero down program in Washington, and the purchase closed the last week of July last year. That's 2020. We just refinanced him the first week of June 2021, and his loan to value had gone below 80%. Since he started with a zero down loan, it actually started above 100%. So we were able to do a refinance for him, and we were able to drop the mortgage insurance. He's saving, along with the interest a bit, he's saving over $300 a month just from doing a refi. I've done similar things quite a few times since and before in just this middle of this year time period. And almost all of them didn't even require an appraisal. So we have this situation where for absolutely nothing out of pocket, and usually within 30 days, we just do a little paperwork and the payment goes down, even for loans that aren't even close to a year old yet, which is just, it's almost like you're playing Monopoly and it's part of life and the bank just made an error in your favor, except everything I'm looking at is correct. So, and this is really something that's going to benefit anybody who has a loan with mortgage insurance. And that would be conventional for sure, FHA for sure, and then even USDA, or for the VA, there isn't mortgage insurance, but maybe the payment would go down, but maybe you just want to open up that VA eligibility for the next purchase. Because another thing I'm seeing is VA jumbos are doing really well. Anyways, please reach out to me if you have any questions. John Wolf, YouTube channel, Get Rich Slow with John Wolf. Have an awesome day. Bye.